Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today we are going to be doing a NYX Lingerie lip swatch. That's why I've got no lipsticks on. But the thing is, I've just tried recording this. I got to doing 3 of the lipsticks. We've got 10 in total to do and it didn't record. So I've just checked, we're still recording. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do lightest to darkest. I was going to do least favourite to favourite. I feel like it would make more sense to do lightest to darkest. And this is a requested video. I got asked to do it a while back. We're talking months ago, but I kept putting it off because obviously the matte lipsticks, and then to take them off and reapply another one. Yeah, it can be a bit messy, so I'm going to be using this Vaseline to take it off. I wish I would have had more of the clear Vaseline, but this one is the rosy kind. It will still do the job. So we're gonna go in with Lace Detail first. Now I'm not a fan of this shade just because it's got that peach undertone that I don't really like. Next shade is Corset, and I do like this one. So that's Corset, and I do like it because it's got that brown undertone. Next shade is Embellishment, and I really do like this one as well. The darker they go, the more I like them. Next shade is Bedtime Flirt. I think I should have done this one before the other shade. And this one is just beautiful. It's Your Lips But Better. I love this shade. Next shade is Ruffled Trim. So that's Ruffled Trim. Next shade is Exotic. I think this one's my favourite out of the whole collection. Next shade is, we're going into the browns now, Honeymoon. Next shade is Scandalous. Not the perfect of applications, but scandalous. Next shade is Beauty Mark. So that's Beauty Mark. And then the last shade is Teddy. So that's Teddy. It's not the most perfect of applications. I think I'll keep this one on, even though it's not my favourite. In fact, no, I'll put my favourite on. Right guys, so I've got ruffle trim on, no, I've got Bedtime Flirt on. I thought I'd keep it quite neutral. It's not my most favourite lipstick. We'll go through that in a minute. Even though I've tried them on, I thought I would give you a countdown, least favourite to favourite. So in number 10, you won't be surprised, no it's not that one, mix them up. You won't be surprised, Lace Detail was my least favourite. I'm going to swatch them on the hand as well, so you can see that. It's just got that really horrible peach undertone. I don't feel like it suits my skin tone. Maybe it would look good with a gloss over it, but that kind of defeats the purpose for me, because I've got these lipsticks because I want them to be long lasting, and if I put a gloss over the top then they're just gonna smear off. So not a fan of that one. So that's in 10th place. Then in 9th place we've got Beauty Mark. So these deep browns, I do like to wear them, but they're not my favourite shade to wear. So Beauty Mark is in 9th place. Then in 8th place we have Teddy. I feel like this one was probably one of the nicer browns on me, but again I don't really wear them a lot. These are quite nice shades for fall, which is that one there. So that's Teddy. In 7th place we've got Honeymoon. Don't know why I bought so many browns. So that's slightly lighter, but again I don't tend to wear them that much, so it had to rank somewhere. In 6th place we have Scandalous, and I do really like this one, but again with the others it had to rank somewhere. So that's Scandalous. Again, that's my favourite out of all those. And now we're moving on to my top 5. So in 5th place we've got Corset. So that's that one there. In 4th place we have Embellishment. Which has got that purple undertone. In 3rd place we have Bedtime Flirt, which is what I'm wearing now. So Bedtime Flirt, 3rd place. And in 2nd place we've got Ruffle Trim. I'm going to put these here. Now that's kind of the tone that I absolutely love wearing for every day. And then in 1st place I just absolutely love this shade. It's so pretty. Exotic. It's definitely my favourite one. So that's that one there. So that's all 10 shades. Like I said earlier, I thought I'd do a quick swatch party on my lips, purely because this was a requested video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know if you want to see, I don't know, least favourite to favourite of my Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks. I've got quite a few of them. And this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I will see you in the next one.